best version of you isn't a flawless version. It is like a tree standing in the morning sun, rooted in who you are, reaching gently toward who you are becoming. Welcome, beautiful soul. As this new moment begins, allow yourself to simply be here. No performance, no expectations, no need to become someone else. Just you, exactly as you are, with all that you have learned, all that you have loved, all that you have experienced, and all that is still waiting to bloom within you. Imagine yourself as that beautiful tree in the early morning light. Its roots are deep beneath the earth, quietly holding everything that has shaped it. And its branches reach toward the sky. Not because they are dissatisfied with where they are, but because growing is simply what living things do. Perhaps you are like that too. You can be deeply grateful for who you are today, while still being excited about who you are becoming. Take a moment to appreciate yourself. For the mornings you showed up when no one knew how much effort it took. For the moments you chose kindness. For every small step you took toward healing, learning, loving, creating, or beginning again. Some of your greatest growth may have happened quietly, like roots growing beneath the soil. You may not always have seen the progress, but that doesn't mean it wasn't happening. And today, you don't have to measure your worth by how much you accomplish. A flower does not become more beautiful because it blooms faster. The sunrise does not rush to become morning. The ocean does not apologize for moving at its own rhythm. And you do not need to hurry your becoming. Let yourself receive that thought. I am allowed to grow at my own pace. I am allowed to learn as I go. I am allowed to become someone new while still loving who I have been. trust the person I am becoming. Now bring your attention to gratitude. Think of something simple that is already beautiful in your life. Perhaps it is the warmth of the morning sun, a familiar voice, a safe place, a cup of something warm, a person or pet who makes your life softer, a dream that still lives quietly inside your heart, or simply the gift of having another day in which something beautiful could happen. Let gratitude become like sunlight touching your face. Gentle, warm, unhurried. You don't have to search for something extraordinary. Sometimes abundance begins by noticing the extraordinary hidden inside ordinary moments. A breath, a smile, a kind word, a patch of sunlight on the floor, a moment of peace. When you notice what is already beautiful, your heart becomes more open to noticing the beautiful things are yet to come. And now, gently repeat within yourself, I am grateful for this day. I am grateful for the person I am. I am grateful for everything life has taught me. I welcome growth with an open heart. I welcome joy into my life. I am open to beautiful possibilities. I trust that good things can find me. I allow myself to receive love, abundance, peace, and happiness. I am becoming more confident, more peaceful, and more connected to myself. Imagine those words as seeds being planted in the soil of your mind. You don't need to dig them up every day to see whether they are growing. You simply nurture them with your thoughts, with your choices, with your attention, with the way you speak to yourself. And slowly, something begins to change. Like a garden receiving sunlight and rain, your inner world begins to respond to what you consistently give it. So give yourself encouraging thoughts. Give yourself patience. give yourself permission to believe that life can surprise you in beautiful ways. There may be moments today when things don't unfold exactly as planned. And even then, remember the tree. When the wind moves through its branches, the tree does not become less of a tree. It bends. It moves. It remains rooted. Perhaps strength is not about remaining perfectly still. Perhaps strength is knowing that you can move with life without losing yourself. So today, meet yourself with gentleness. Let your thoughts be spacious. Let your heart remain curious. Instead of needing to know exactly how everything will unfold, allow yourself to wonder. What if something wonderful is waiting for me today? What if an unexpected conversation brings joy? What if an opportunity appears from somewhere I never imagined? What if today holds a little more magic than I expect? You don't have to force the day to be beautiful. You can simply become available to its beauty. Walk a little slower. Notice a little more. Listen with your whole heart. Let yourself smile when something makes you happy. Allow yourself to receive compliments, kindness, opportunities, and love without feeling the need to earn every beautiful thing that comes your way. You are allowed to receive. And perhaps this is what becoming the best version of yourself truly means. Not becoming flawless. Not becoming someone the world will finally approve of. But becoming more fully yourself. More present. More grateful. More open, more trusting, more willing to love your life while continuing to grow within it. So carry this image with you today. A tree standing peacefully beneath the morning sun. Rooted in gratitude, growing with intention, reaching toward possibility. Its branches do not know exactly what tomorrow's sky will bring, and yet they continue reaching. May you do the same. May you trust your roots. May you honor your journey. May you welcome what is unfolding. And may you walk into this day with the quiet belief that something beautiful can meet you along the way. Today, I choose to be open. Open to joy. Open to love. Open to abundance. Open to unexpected blessings. Open to new possibilities. Open to becoming more of who I truly am. And whatever this day brings, may I remember, I don't need to be perfect to be worthy of a beautiful life. I only need to be present enough to notice it, grateful enough to appreciate it, and open enough to receive it. Let that thought gently settle into your heart. And as you begin moving into your day, carry your own quiet morning sunlight with you. Let it guide the way you speak to yourself. Let it soften the way you meet the world. Let it remind you that there is still so much ahead to discover, to experience, to love, and to become. You are already growing. You are already becoming. And perhaps today, you can simply enjoy the unfolding. If this meditation brought something beautiful into your morning, leave a comment and share what you are grateful for today. And if you are here for the first time, consider subscribing for more such peaceful and uplifting moments.